Alright guys, here let me get you a clearer vision here. Alright, so let me let you in here on what's going on. This is the plug to this long vacuum here. Yay! Say hello to our model Lee. Hi Lee. Big smile. Yeah. Okay, so this vacuum is from, I don't know how to pronounce that, so we're going to say Reserwa. Reserwa. Something like that. Anyway, we've got a few attachments here, and we're going to get to showing you this before, before it gets too dark. Alright guys, so we figured out that it does indeed work just off the car accelerator. It does not need to be on, just on accelerator. Pretty good suction. And now we're going to show you attachments and stuff here. Once we get into the car, we're going to clean some stuff up. Oh. We have a small cup of flour. There is some dirt in the back of my car. We left that there for you guys. How special are you? Aw, we left it just for you. But we've also got a small cup of flour here. It is flour, no funny ideas here. And we are going to dust some of this under the back seat to see how well this vacuum does. Here we go. We're dusting. Yay, flour. Don't go too crazy. I don't want to cake the car. In case it doesn't work. I'm sure it will, though. Everything I've gotten off there so far is good. All right. Nice. Nice. Oh, that's nice.
Go from this, the brush, the nozzle, and then the hose.
Alright, you heard him. We're going to go from the regular vacuum to the brush. Hold it up here so we can see it. Nice. Okay, try not to put it for your shirt next time. Is that the extension?
This is, yes, the extension.
Okay, the small flat one. Yeah, the detailer. And then here's the extension hose. That's where the brush will come in handy down there. What's being left behind, it'll knock it up out. Working?
Yeah, it's working good.
Get over here in the light a little bit, or up on the seat or something real quick. Nice, yes, with just a little bit of work, it'll come out. It is flour after all.
Flour.
Got about 13 seconds. But I wanted to say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe below, and check out the blog for more. Real quick if I can, we turned my car on. It's a little bit louder, but as you can tell, it's doing a lot better suction with the better power. There it goes, yeah. So it was my crappy car. It was not the vacuum. There you go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. One last thing here, guys. We've got instruction manual also as well. And there is also a bag. Lee, let me see that bag real quick. The bag comes with it. Yay! So you got easy storage as well. Alright, so there you have it, guys. The car handheld vacuum from this place.